we are getting maybe 3 to 5 events in a month. Lately now it might just be like, okay, maybe it's 1 or 2 events you're getting in a month, and you might not even get in a particular month because it's like off-peak period.
But why people are skeptical about doing all these services is because there are so many other people doing it. Like they are there. So how are you going to break into that space?
Like the slogan for this year, they said no grief for everybody.
No grief for anybody.
So they need to think out of the box.
Beautiful people, welcome to another beautiful episode of Let's Talk Weddings. If you're new here, in this series we talk about weddings, relationships, anything and everything in between that space of love. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button to become a part of the channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about
services.
That event planners can do.
They can also do,
while waiting for jobs, right?
No, while in between too as well, they can also do.
Oh, really?
Yes,
okay.
So far as they can actually manage the services, they can actually manage both.
Okay, so that's fair and that's very nice. So if you are a wedding planner and event planner, you can definitely learn a thing or two, or not even a thing or two, plenty things from this video. So please watch till the end so that you can get the full gist.
I'll be talking about souvenirs.
Okay.
First, as an event planner, you can actually source out for souvenirs. You know, whenever you can actually tell the bride that okay, she shouldn't worry, you will help her in sourcing out for souvenirs for her friends. I used to get bridal accessories for my brides. I source out for bridal accessories, earrings, shoes and purse. In fact, I make bridal robes as well for them. I have someone that makes bridal robes. So these are like add-on services that you as an event planner you can actually do. This, in fact, I just finished a training on Monday with some of my students. And you know, I told them, I'm actually grateful to God that a lot of them are they used that, they didn't throw away that knowledge. They acted up with that knowledge.
That you shared with them.
Yes, one of them just told me that I've started sourcing out for bridal accessories for my for clients and all that. Definitely, if event job is not coming in, then you know either bridal accessory jobs will come in. Definitely, even if a bride tell you that okay, well, I already have a planner, you can just introduce that to them that okay, you also source out for bridal accessories. Not all brides wants to like stress themselves coming to the market and all that. Flip-flop and slippers too is also inclusive. I know someone on Instagram that sells in an wholesale price. She'll sell to you, and you know you sell it in a retail price to your to the brides and all that. Flip-flop, I don't know if you know flip-flop slippers
that they use for pictures.
Yes, for pictures. So you can also like go into that as well. One of my students told me one time when she was discussing with me that she thought of venturing into the after party props. You know, later I now remember that wow, after party props too, you know, we really don't have people that actually ventured into that after party props. Introduce what you do to the bride, and you know the bride will definitely get something from you. I have a planner, I know of a planner. She does cocktail, she does decoration, and you know she's also a planner. So she does cocktail, decoration, and she's also a planner.
That's a full service.
That's a full service. I told my student, I said, I'm not talking about those that work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. They might actually not have time to go to a Kodumota market, sourcing out for jewelry. But and they might actually not have time to like, okay, combine decoration with cocktail and all that. But I told them, I said, if you actually have a good team, there's nothing bad in doing that. There's nothing bad. You can venture into decoration is there. You can venture into decoration as well. It's not bad.
But people who work 9 to 5, can they be event planners as well?
I know of an event planner that works 9 to 5.
But it depends on the job, Sha. Where does she live?
It depends on the job. I actually don't know where she lives. But she works 9 to 5, and you know she's also an event planner.
Wow, that's really nice.
She's also an event planner. She works 9 to 5, and you know she's also an event planner. So you know most of the event planners now, whenever they are actually talking about themselves, a lot of them have actually done this 9 to 5 p.m. jobs, and you know most of them have to like quit.
Yeah.
You know, one of my trainee was talking to me one day, and you know she was like she wants to quit a 9 to 5 p.m. job. I said, why do you want to quit? She said she wants to have time for events. I was now like, I hope this will not affect you, because this is like fine. Oh, some event planners are getting jobs these days, but let me just say we're already getting to like an off-peak period. So I was like, you know, it's fine, we might be getting jobs every month, but it might not be like the peak period where we'll be getting jobs, events back to back.
Yeah.
So I told her, I said, I hope this will not affect her. She said no, she just wants to like focus her attention
maybe
on
she has events. Maybe she has people that want to.
She has an event. I know she has an event. In fact, she has her own event. What would I put it? Her own event brand, but she also works. She still works for me like as a coordinator some of the time rather. And she works for some other event planners too as coordinators. But she was just like she wants to like quit her 9 to 5. I said, I hope this will not affect you. I hope this will not affect you because majority, it's not as if lately now we'll be getting jobs back to back. This is not like we've not gotten to like the ember period. Starting from July, August, September, we all know that okay, it's like a peak period. But you know, lately now, okay, let's say we are getting three, maybe 3 to 5 events in a month. Lately now, it might just be like okay, maybe it's 1 or 2 events you're getting in a month, and you might not even get in a particular month because it's like off-peak period. So like this period now again, we even have lots of event planners out there. So that is why as an event planner, it's also good to like have an add-on services that you can actually venture into, so that okay, if they are not giving you that event planning job, they will give you definitely one of the Ashwebi, and sourcing of Ashwebi is actually inclusive as well.
You know why people are scared? Some people, I wouldn't say scared, but why people are skeptical about doing all these services is because there are so many other people doing it, like they are there. So how are you going to break into that space? So you have, let's say, 10 friends. 7 of those friends have relatives that are event planners or have sisters, that have event planners already. So how do you do?
That is why I'm talking about the add-on services. If they are not giving you the event planning job, then you just tell them that okay, I do cocktail, I source out for souvenirs, I source out for after party props, I source out for bridal accessories, shoes and purse, bouquet, bridal robes. So all these things that I'm mentioning, especially the bridal robes, you will be in your house. You might just have someone that will be making it for you. So it's not as if it's something that would actually stress you. I told them, I said they need to think out of the box this year. Like the slogan for this year, they said no grief for anybody. So they need to think out of the box this year. It's not that you stick. I know some of them that they actually stick to provision of hostesses. Now we have lots of event planners. Let me know if some of them are not even event planners yet, that they are providing hostesses.
So we
have in fact, I get DMs as well most times. Despite the fact that I provide hostesses, I get DMs that please, we are into provision of hostesses, we would love you to. So it's not every time you do provision of hostesses. You think out of the box, like look for something that okay, you can actually do. Okay, I know somebody on social media that they does this chin chin. They used to call it panu, this chin chin, ejayoyo. They does it for the engagement ceremony. I think the first course meal. They does chin chin. In fact, they does this sweet. I don't know if you remember this olden day sweet, Baba Dudu. Yes, they does it for like a first course meal. That is what she does, and she's making it.
All right, thank you so much for sharing the knowledge with us. I hope that you guys have taken down some points, and let's know what you think in the comment section below. Which add-on services are you going to try, or which one are you currently doing? We will see you in the next video. Bye.